Dive into the world of Android tablets with our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Discover its IP68 water and dust-resistant features, long battery life, powerful processor, and the versatile S Pen. Don't miss out on our hands-on experience with this sleek device. Hit subscribe for more tech reviews. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a mid-range tablet designed to offer a premium experience. It features a 10.9-inch display, IP68 water and dust resistance, and a suite of productivity and entertainment features. The tablet's design is sleek and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and carry. The IP68 rating provides durability against the elements. The S Pen inclusion enhances the tablet's functionality, offering a high-fidelity stylus experience. The screen delivers a bright and colorful viewing experience, suitable for media streaming and document work. The stereo speakers produce clear and loud audio. The powerful processor ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, and the 8MP camera is sufficient for video calls and casual photos. Battery life is a significant advantage, with the capacity to last through a full day of use. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with busy schedules. Priced at around $449.99, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE offers good value for money. It's an appealing choice for those seeking a feature-rich tablet without a high cost. The S Pen adds versatility, making it useful for both work and play. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a solid choice for anyone looking for an Android tablet. It's durable, reliable, and comes with useful features. While it may not excel in every aspect, its overall performance makes it a strong contender in the tablet market.